전 남친. What does 전 남친 mean?
That means ex-boyfriend.
Right, 전 means before, and 남친 is the shortened word for 남자친구.
Yep.
This girl, she broke up with their boyfriend, but she had to call him for the recipe for this toast.
Even though they broke up.
Isn't that ridiculous? Like, how would you feel if we broke up and I called you,
Yeah.
and I was like, hey, I just want to know the recipe for that toast. That's it. Don't say anything else. Tell me how you made it.
Then I'll be so happy that I broke up with you.
So we thought we had to give this toast a try. You know?
Sure.
I mean, how good can it taste for you to want to call your ex for it? So let's do the reenactment of the dialogue first, since this is a very simple recipe.
뭐해? 진짜 오랜만이다.
그러게, 진짜 오랜만이네. 나 그냥 뻔하지.
아, 혹시 저번에 너네 집에서 네가 해준 거 기억나? 토스트 같은 거였는데 잼 바르고 그게 어떻게 만드는지 궁금해서. 참고로 이걸 구실로 어떻게 다시 해보자는 거 아니니까 진짜 레시피만 알려주라.
아, 식빵에 크림치즈 바르고 블루베리 잼 발라서 레인지에 10초.
어이없겠지만 혹시 빵이랑 크림치즈 어디 건지 알려줄 수 있어?
어이없는데 웃겨서 말해줄게. 크림치즈는 마담으로.
아, 괜히 물어봤나? 식빵은 우유빵이지. 버터를 녹이고 빵을 올린다. 양쪽 면을 버터를 다 골고루 묻혀주고 빵을 빼고 크림치즈는 듬뿍 아끼면 안 돼. 블루베리 잼 가득 올려주면 되겠다. 이제 접시에 담아서 이대로 전자레인지에 10초 돌리면 끝. 잘 가. 땡. 20초. 아, 좀 따뜻해졌다. 그때 그 맛일지 비교해봐야지. 제발 그 맛이길. It's creamy. It's like just with that blueberry jam, it melts in your mouth. Now I know why you put it in the microwave. The cream cheese melted with the blueberry jam and it tastes so good. I think this is like one piece would be good enough for a breakfast.
Really?
Because it's very rich. 오빠 이거 한번 먹어봐. 내가 엄청 맛있는 토스트 만들었어.
Are we acting again?
Yeah.
이 레시피 어디서 나온대?
이거? 내 전 남친.
맛있다.
It's warm and it's also like really creamy.
I think the whole point of this is the blueberry jam melting in with the cream cheese. But I don't think it's anything special. Like, I don't think this is worth calling your ex over. Certainly worth trying if you have some extra toast. I think I have a better version. Did you know walnuts taste really good on toast, especially with fresh fruit? I'm gonna toast a few walnuts, get them nice and toasted. All right, we got a little toasty toast on them. Now, a little tip for toast, we're gonna add in a little bit of olive oil, move it around the pan a little bit. All right. And then olive oil, instead of butter, the olive oil gets the toast very crispy. Because sometimes with butter, the toast gets very mushy. But with oil, it gets nice and hard. You can test the difference yourself. Woo! All right, you see, very crispy and not soft. Same thing, let's add a good amount of cream cheese to this. We're gonna forget the jam, we're gonna go with fresh blueberries. Right, we have to make her remember the toast. Then our toasted walnuts. All right, we gotta break them up, or else she's gonna remember the wrong things. All I taste is walnuts. We gotta prevent that from coming out. We should have gone to the pancake house. This is terrible. We don't want to hear that, y'all. All right, neighbors, you like where we're going? Next, I'm going with all natural Korean honey. Yes. I'll take a little dip of this. Yes. Go even with the drip. Very nice. We're gonna hit it with this hint of cinnamon powder. Go really easy with this. Oh, shoot. Just a little dusting over the top. All right, and that is blueberry walnut toast. Very nice, huh?
Did you put this in the microwave too?
No, I didn't.
Oh, you didn't want to be similar to
Yeah.
my previous boyfriend?
Yeah, I gotta differentiate.
맛있다. This one has a more deeper taste. The other one was very superficial.
Yeah. Something to remember. A walk to remember. A bite to remember.
Yeah, it's truly a bite to remember. The first one, my ex-boyfriend's toast, it was good, but it was a little bit too sweet, too upfront at first, a little bit immature. The second one was very well balanced, all natural, more wholesome, and more long lasting. So I highly recommend you to try the second one. Second one if you want the wholesome love. The first one if you want to experience that young passion.
If you break up, don't call me. Watch the YouTube video.